Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making shrimpschoka with dal and rice. I have my oil heating up. I'm going to add this shrimp. I have two different kinds of shrimp. This is the fresh one. Let this fry, and then I will add, this is the dry shrimp. I soak it overnight and drain out the water. Now I'm gonna add the dry shrimp. Now we're gonna continue frying this. Seafood seasoning, black pepper and salt in here. And I already made my dal. This is almost finished frying. Back home we used to say you patch the shrimps. The shrimps is finished frying or patch. Now I'm going to make the shrimpschoka, and we're going to do it the new way today. We're not gonna do it on the masala brick. I'm gonna do it in the blender. Turn off the stove. I'm gonna add the savory peppers and garlic to this, and some of the tamarind juice. Now I'm gonna scrape out the side, and we're gonna blend again. Do that again. You want to make sure you get it as fine as possible, almost smooth. It's almost there. One more time. Gonna go one more time. That's good now. We're gonna put in the next batch. I'll put one balafirepepper in this one and more garlic. And I'll add some tamarind juice. And this is done. This is the fast and easy way to make shrimpschoka. And if you've never tried shrimpschoka before, it's so delicious to eat. This and dal and rice is the best. It's all done. Here's my shrimpschoka with dal and rice. Please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.